Assalamu alaikum. I am clinical dietitian Khuja. Today I come with the new topic, which is the body mass index, also called the Quetelet index. If you have one weight and height by measuring scale, then you calculate the BMI. BMI is measure the body fat, which is based on the height and weight. It's a tool to correlate the risk of health problems with the weight. It's a useful measure of the to measure the overweight and obesity. Assessment of obesity by the formula, which is the weight in kg, height in meter square. If you have an weight in pounds and height in inches, then you conversion factor apply 703, which is mentioned in the last as a red line. How to calculate the BMI? This is the formula which we use by as an example. I have one the height in 5 feet and 6 inches and the weight is 58 of female. This is the conversion, and in the last you can see the BMI 21 kg per meter square. Then I go for the category of BMI, which it is fall. If the BMI categories then I will talk to the BMI categories. It is if the BMI is less than 18.5, then we call underweight. If the weight is 18 BMI is between 18.5 to 24.9, then we call as healthy weight. If the BMI is fall between 25 to 29.9, then we called overweight. If the BMI 30 or more, then we called obese. Obese also classify into three grades. The grade 1, which is more than 35 to 34.9, grade 1. Then if the BMI fall 35 to 39.9, then we called obese grade 2, and more than 40 we call the grade 3 is the clinically obese. You should focus on weight and should be reduce the weight. There is a chart between the weight and height. In the vertical we have a weight in kgs, and the horizontal we have the height in meter. You can see to the start, if the weight is 40 kg and the BMI 1.4 and the height is 1.40, then the BMI less than 18.5, then we call as the underweight. If the weight is 40 to 50 categories, then we call as healthy weight. Then if the weight fall between 50 to 60 kg, then we called overweight. If the weight between 65 to 74 or 75 kg, then we called as obese. And if the weight between more than 70 to 130 or more than kgs, then we called as obese 2 or 3 grade, and it should be monitored as clinically and also called the clinically obese. Hopefully you calculate the BMI by your own, and helpful in future for to monitor and measure by the formula by weight and height. Thank you so much. If you like the video, you can subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching.